is mean only or just or see or after the dot. That means when you use kiri, that means you can say something like just or something, or only, or see. And in Japanese, when you use the grammar of kiri, that you can use with the verb and noun. By the verb, you can use in the past tense form only, no dictionary form, no negative form, right? So remember that you can use just in the past tense form. And for the noun, you just use in the no nothing change. And kiri, and followed by kiri. But after kiri, you can use kiri or kiri, which means you have a small z, jisai z, right? In Japanese, they say jisai z and kiri. Or you just say kiri no z. So please remember that it just have the same meaning when you see, even it has small z or it doesn't have z together. It just had the same meaning, that only, just, was, just seen, or after or something. So the next, let's go to see some example to make more understand about how to use kiri, the grammar of kiri. The first example, 私は一人きりで暮らすのが嫌だ。私は一人きりで暮らすのが嫌だ。Which means, I don't want to live all alone. I don't want to live all alone. The next example, 二人きりで話をしたいです。二人きりで話をしたいです。Which means, I want to talk privately with you, just the two of us. I want to talk privately with you, just the two of us. In the first sentence, that you see that we use with the hitori, which means is noun. So when you use noun with the kiri, nothing change. And hitori kiri. Hitori kiri. And for the second sentence, you see that futari kiri. Futari kiri is mean it had the same meaning, but we have the small z, right? Or we say jisai z. So no problem, it just had the same meaning. You can say futari kiri that has no z, jisai z. It just had the same meaning, but just depend to you that you want to which one you want to choose to use. And the meaning of kiri is mean, if you say hitori kiri, that mean only you, only one person, all the time. Kiri is mean cut out, right? Just only that thing. So futari kiri is mean only two people, no other body, just only two people that face each other and talk to each other. So when the first sentence that when you use the hitori kiri, this mean only you. It means that you only want live, you only want nobody, no married, no children, no friend, right? And the second sentence that means futari kiri de hanashi o shitai desu, which means only two persons that talk together, no another body come to join. So you can say futari kiri de hanashi o shitai desu, which means I want to talk to you privately, because it's the secret, right? Something like this. The next, 彼女に会ったのは一回きりです。彼女に会ったのは一回きりです。Which means, I have only met her one time. I only met her one time. We can say, I have only met her one time. The next, 彼女とは別れたきり一度も会っていない。彼女とは別れたきり一度も会っていない。Which means I haven't met with her at all since we broke up. I haven't met with her at all since we broke up. For the first sentence that we use the noun ikai, right? Ikai is mean the noun kiri, so we just use that. And ikai kiri does mean one time only, no another time, right? It's mean kiri, that means only that thing. And for the second, we will see that they use the wakaleta kiri, right? Wakaleta is the past tense. If we say in the dictionary form, we can say wakalelu, right? So change to the past tense, we can say wakaleta and kiri. We cannot use wakalelu kiri. They don't use that. You use wakalelu kiri. That means you are wrong with the grammar. So we can say wakaleta kiri. That means since you have broke up in that time, you never meet each other. 彼女とは別れたきり that in the time that you broke up. 一度も会っていない which means that you haven't met her anymore since from that time. So will you use that kiri with the situation or the noun that happened that one time and you haven't do or done something